Yeah. Let me check. Yeah, live stream is on. You can look us.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is Sunday. 1st of September. Wow,
Yeah,
we are in
first,
September. The last 9, 10, 11, 12. The last
yeah,
4 months of the year to go.
yeah.
And
Good
we are
morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nicholas.
good morning to
Yes,
you, Mr. Richard. BTC
yeah,
price 59,000 right now, right?
yeah. The price as we see is 59,000, but we see 1 day is not much chance. And we see within 7 days with the Bitcoin price, the price of Bitcoin go down 7.74%. Yeah, some people feel shocked because uh, they don't think the price of Bitcoin from 64,000. Yeah, last week we added 64,000, but this week, this Sunday, we see the Bitcoin price go down. We also can see the time is can go down to 58, and now it's back to 59. Yeah, uh, it's sometimes asking us why what's happening. It's just because of the end of the month. Yeah, sometimes uh, they need to complete the liquidity exchange liquidation. Yeah, just a short explanation with some of the long and short order. The exchange they need to complete the order, so they push the price to go down uh, to liquidate the order. Yeah, it's a normal action uh, before we reach the new bull run when Fed apply some of the cutting rate. Yeah. Before we go to some of the other article, I just want to introduce the title of our live stream today um, is from the article in the coin market cap. Yeah, um, Samson Mow. He also say important Bitcoin 100,000 remain issue whole time. Yeah, and later we go more detail about this article. Before that, let's see Mr. Nicholas has some of the article this early morning about BRICS
All right.
expansion. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm touching a little bit on BRICS expansion. We all know what BRICS are. BRICS is like uh, they stands for
Yeah,
Brazil, Russia,
Brazil, Russia,
China, South Africa.
India, China. Yeah, yeah,
The
that's true.
bloc. All right. So member countries are able to basically they are like exploring new currency. They're on their own currency, but of course, for them, they are not exactly planning to overtake or replace US dollar. They are just wanting a new currency where the member countries can come together and use it. But that's the thing. If all the member countries, when they have their own currency, and all the countries come and use it, they are going to slowly stop using US dollar in any other trade at all. Yeah. So and Venezuela, they are one of their top diplomat. I cannot. It's hard to pronounce his name, so I just put top diplomat here. So their
Yeah,
top diplomat mentioned that their country Venezuela may join the BRICS after 2024 summit. 2024 summit happens in October, which is like next month, end of next month. Yeah. So one thing about Venezuela is that Venezuela has the world's largest oil reserve at more than 303 billion barrels. But yeah. So basically, like I mentioned earlier, the BRICS countries are slowly paving the way for the currency to benefit all member countries. So in our next slide, Mr. Richard, you can help me. In the next slide, I put a screenshot on oil reserve. This is a list of oil reserve. Yeah, so Venezuela is the top one, and then we have Saudi Arabia, then we have Iran. Remember, few months ago, China has mediated between two countries, Saudi and Iran. It is Saudi and Iran. Yeah, yes, I think it's Saudi and Iran. Yeah, peace talk between the two countries, because the two countries has been very tense for the last few decades. Yeah, so imagine these top three in a list are close friends with China and close friends with BRICS. In fact, Saudi and Iran are joining BRICS. Yeah, I think so, and UAE as well. So so you imagine these top 7 countries, they are all one way or another being linked to BRICS, except for Canada. Canada is a good friend to America. We all know that. But Canada, as I was talking to Mr. Richard before the live stream, Canada is top 4 in oil reserve, but 95% or 96% of their oil reserve is in oil sand, which means it costs at least about 8 to 10 times more expensive to refine the oil per barrel cost. So that is why Canada, even though they are on the top 4, they probably lose out to those far behind as well, because of how expensive it is for them to refine oil. So in the list of countries, we see that many of them are closely linked with BRICS country, and BRICS is planning to develop, or probably already underway in development stage, or we never know. Yeah, and we all know that BRICS countries are wanting to have a currency, So and of course, at this current point of time, if you are holding a lot of US dollar, you'll be thinking, okay, before BRICS currency comes out, or before my country start using other currency, I might want to hold some crypto, Bitcoin, whatever, and that will make a lot of sense for me as an individual, or even as a corporation institution, that I would want to hold BTC or any other valuable crypto, so that I can protect my assets for the future, right? So yeah, these are interesting information that I hope you guys are able to digest a little bit. Yeah, and Singapore, Hong Kong, and UAE is leading in crypto adoption. So in this research, Singapore was like number 1, but Hong Kong and UAE is just very close behind. Just maybe this one, it says total score of 45 point something. I think the 2 other countries is also 40 something. I think. Yeah, so it's not far behind. So in this list, their criteria or their marker for adoption, they basically use these are the few pointers: the public adoption, infrastructure adoption, innovation, and technology. Talking about technology, I think, will it end of this month or next month? They have this tokenization 2049 that's going to happen in Singapore. That makes sense, right? So, and then they also have this regulatory environment marker, and then they have the economic factor and tax friendliness. So I think tax friendliness, maybe the government will be looking at this. How can I tax the same way as before? But more importantly, I think it's the innovation and technology. There are quite a number of startups here in Singapore that are walking the line, traveling the road of blockchain and Web3 and all, and closely linked with crypto, how they can work well, or rather fuse in with crypto. And I think this is a good start for this area, for Singapore and Hong Kong, in this part of the world, in UAE, in Western Asia. Yeah, so Singapore and Hong Kong are very similar, and UAE, we are all very similar in a way that Hong Kong is a very small area in China. Singapore is a very small country in Southeast Asia. UAE is quite a small country in the Western Asia. So, and we are all unique in our own ways, but we are all pretty popular in our own region as well. Yeah. So I think it's good that crypto begin to flourish in these three countries or regions. Hong Kong used to be a country by itself, but now it's under China special administrative region. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but Hong Kong has a very big potential because of how it's being positioned in the financial world, and also it is part of China, and that helps them to be very unique and very flexible in terms of a lot of movement in the crypto. Because China, we all know China, they're like, okay, we ban crypto, China ban crypto. But Hong Kong is okay, you can do a lot of things in Hong Kong. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think that's where the growth will begin to sprout very fast from there. And perhaps, who knows, one day China might say, China main government might say, oh, now it's working well, crypto is working well. Okay,
Yeah.
we can slowly adopt crypto in our own, maybe Shanghai, Beijing, whatever. We never know. Yeah.
Yeah, it's also depend on the other of the world. Like if after the president election, the
Yeah.
next president they applies crypto as the main investment
Yeah.
purpose for the country. Like I hear Donald Trump say that he will make the Bitcoin as the Bitcoin reserve for their currency. So after that, we will see how crypto uh, uh, mm, will go up and will jump to the next high level. Because at this moment, we see more and more uh, millionaire uh,
Double.
yeah, double in 2024 because of the market. When the price of the Bitcoin around last year is around 30 or 40,000, but at this moment it's around 59,000, like nearly double. So we see the millionaire total in crypto nowadays 172,300 in total. Uh, that means in crypto, if in only Bitcoin is 85,400, yeah, it's low nearly 100, but it's low year in 1 year. It's around 95% to 111 percent. Yeah, we also can see the billionaire in crypto 28, and in Bitcoin only 11. Yeah, um, and total market value is 2.3 trillion. Yeah, it's total market of the crypto and with the Bitcoin is 1.2 trillion. All this data we uh, we uh, we see they collect and they show that how Bitcoin and crypto make this work now. They more and more millionaire, centi-millionaire. Yeah, we hope that when the Bitcoin reach the new all-time high, we also can see this figure can change, have more positive. Okay, let's see how to catch up news over last 24 hours. We may see last week. Yeah, last week is the arrestation of Pavel Durov, uh,
Yes.
the CEO of Telegram. The after he landing the fly to French, yeah, and he just said that because he had dining out with the French President Macron, but French President Macron denied he denied inviting Pavel to France. Yeah, we also don't know. Some of people think that it's the politic issue. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas.
Yeah, so maybe they invite him to France just to arrest him.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a funny thing. Uh, when after his uh, issue, we see Elon Musk, Tesla, and some Mark Zuckerberg also worry about that. How the privacy of the social network. Some of the rumors say that if Elon Musk go to Brazil or go to England, he will be arrested like Pavel Durov, because now in Brazil, um, is the social network X has been banned in Brazil,
Oh,
and yeah, that's because some of the issue, the similar thing, like the censorship and something that
yes.
X they don't allow. And we see last time Elon Musk Tesla beat the Dogecoin manipulation lawsuit. Uh,
Mm.
Last time, a lot of people lose the money when they invest in the Dogecoin because they saw some twist or some
Yes.
meme thing from Elon Musk say something about Dogecoin, so they invest money in, but the cost say that uh, just element just say something. That's just a funny thing. He not sends any tip
Uh,
financial advice. So element win in the lawsuit because
yeah,
yeah,
Mr. Elon Musk, his style is very, very, very interesting. He
yeah,
just posts something and he doesn't say much.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Like he last time he just sent a picture of the dog,
Yeah,
and after that the dog coin go up a lot. Yeah,
yeah,
so people will feel that that's the financial advice, so they not
yeah.
lose the money. Yeah,
For him, he understands that
yeah,
if you see too much, you will definitely make mistakes somewhere, so people
yeah,
can catch.
yeah. The next one, last 24 hours, we see the crypto ATM go up
Oh, right.
17 times in Australia. Yeah, a lot of people invest in the crypto ATM. Yeah, last time we also mentioned about that.
Oh
I
yes.
Yeah, that's a photo of
Remember,
the
we both of us we went to the crypto ATM at Plaza Singapura, right?
yeah, that's right. Yeah, we
We draw
try.
money from there.
Yeah, we no money from there. Yeah, it's so fun experiment. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
good experience. But during the crypto storm, yeah, uh, a lot of things happening, and maybe that's ATM place no more. So we also need to check in the coin later to find any more crypto ATM in Singapore. Yeah. And the next one, solo miner win 200,000 Bitcoin with just 0.012 hash rate. Is a luck in Bitcoin mining. Yeah, some of the miner do the solo thing. Just just a few mining click, but he win 200,000 Bitcoin. And the good thing about the hamster compact. Yeah,
yeah.
if you are playing with the game Hamster Compact, the OKX list the Hamster Compact on September 26th. It
Ah,
will do the airdrop.
I I hope
Yeah,
the price is good because I
yeah,
have 2 billion coins in there.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
But
Now I think your level is a 10. Then that is the logs. Yeah,
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 but the thing is that when they launch, or rather when they started the trading, probably the price is 0.000000000.
yeah,
I don't
a
know how
lot
many zeros we
zero.
can have.
Yeah, and the information now more now is because we serve on the exchange like New Year lows. Yeah, it means that in the exchange now no more Bitcoin, less of Bitcoin. Where because the well accumulate a lot and then in the exchange no more Bitcoin now. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF there is the second ever outflow. Yeah, BlackRock is still sell out their Bitcoin because maybe because the higher fee in the BlackRock. Oh, BlackRock and yeah, they scale. Oh yeah. BlackRock they keep buying and they scale. They keep selling. Yeah, and now we see the outflow from BlackRock. That's why it's make the people feel a little bit worried. And the next one, how secure your data on Telegram? Yeah, uh, people share a lot of things say about why the Telegram is secure because they don't share the personal information um, to the third party. Yeah, but you
Yeah,
need to set up some of the setting how privacy of
uh,
your
yeah.
account.
So
Yeah,
for me, I set the privacy to the highest,
yeah, that's right.
or rather the second highest, because
Yeah,
I only allow people who are in my contact list to be able to
yeah,
see phone number.
yeah, that's right. That's right. It's correct. And only the people in your contact list can invite you to the other room.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that's a very important privacy because sometimes some of my friends after he registered the Telegram, but they don't setting there. They
yeah,
suddenly one day they see oh they are in some of the
yeah.
group
They got
chat.
added to the groups for no
Yeah,
reason. Yeah,
yeah, that's right. So
WhatsApp
we
WhatsApp has this problem.
yeah
Nowadays, I still see myself suddenly in some crazy nonsense group in WhatsApp. I didn't sign up for it. Someone just added. They have the number. They just add whatever number they can find.
yeah, and with that one we also see the with the with the issue of the CEO of Telegram. Now Telegram hit 1.1 million daily user, and
Yes.
the market cap of the Toncoin is 13 billion. Yeah. Last time the Toncoin after his arrest, we see that the Toncoin the Ton price dropped 16%. Yeah. Is now the price of the ton coin is still around $5.4. Yeah, but when the market go down like this, the the ton coin is still the same. Let me refresh 24 hours. Yeah, it's still
Coin
five.
$5.
The ton coin where
Wow,
the
if
Mhm.
only the hamster coin
Yeah, yeah.
is also five, but it's not going to be.
Yeah. Last week we also see some of the error. Uh, a lot of uh, token on the Thorn network, like the DOGS, like uh, next time the Thorn will do the airdrop on the Binance if if you do the lunch lunch pool on Binance you will receive the free Thorn. Yeah. Um, the next one we let's continue. We see the one is Binance will support Canada Hartford on September 1st. The Canada is a
Today,
company of the ABA.
Yeah,
we
probably tomorrow, tonight in their clock, but it's today here is September 1st.
yeah. Because people complain a lot why the ADA very slow. It's really a long, nearly a long time. It's from 2016. Yeah, 2016. ADA is still nearly the same, but last time it's go nearly $2 last time. Yeah, and it's make a lot of investor feel very boring. Of course, the the technology of ADA is also good, but some of the trader they think about the money first because they see oh keep so long, make the people have lose the hope on it. The same with SOL too. SOL last time have the issue with the traffic jam, the
Yeah,
traffic in SOL. Yeah. But the price of SOL also go down. Of course, the technology behind the SOL is also good. Um,
yes.
yeah, and the next one, let's discuss about the Bitcoin related with our title today. Um, uh, as I explained in the beginning of our live stream, two level Bitcoin are critical cumulative liquidation could go as high as 665 million. Yeah, uh, crypto 2 million. Let me uh, let me open the here. The title of this article is it's just a warning, just a document say about how the liquidation of the Bitcoin crypto in the end of August and in the beginning of September, why the price of the Bitcoin is hanging around 60,000, why not go up fast because of the long and short liquidation. Yeah, according to the current data, the market saw 86 uh, million in a long liquidation and 56 million in a short liquidation in last 24 hours, and with the difference between being 29 million. Yeah, and 29,000, nearly 30,000 traders are liquidated in the past 24 hours. That's why we see the price of the Bitcoin is going down. Yeah, um, it is a very easy to explanation why in the end of the month or in the end of the week, the price of the Bitcoin easily have the different change. Last time I also set the auto buying of the crypto. Usually in the end of the week in US time, because at this time I think the price of the Bitcoin is the lowest. Um, yeah, and then let's see to the last slide of the live stream today. Not not the very not the very last. This one is talking about the AI. Um, according to the Brand Armstrong, he said AIs are now buying all the AIs with the crypto. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah. It means the AI use the AI token to send to the other AI to say, oh, you work this task for me, and you will receive a reward. Yeah, this AI will accept the task and do like drawing or making the essay. Yeah, using the AI token. Yeah. Um, it will be happen in the near future. Yeah. Uh, they
Yeah, I
they
think
may
this idea, this concept can be quite possible. Yeah,
yeah
because uh, for AI corporations, if they want to streamline AI related jobs,
yeah
they probably will be able to, because company A is the one dishing out job, then company B want to use AI to catch the jobs.
yeah that's right. It's So we also can see a lot of AI nowadays. They create the 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 video clip based on the photo. Yeah, so funny. A lot of things happen with the AI, and AI can predict the market, can do a lot of tasks for us. Yeah, like make the essay, like create the data for the analyst. Yeah, to observe the market. And then next one we see the Samson Mow, the Zantry CEO. Yeah, let's go to the article of him. Yeah, uh, just now I saw his article. He uh, he said that just hold time and wait for a while.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, why, why I can change to the view mode is in the Firefox. What happened? Where's the view mode? I also don't know. Okay, never mind. Samson Mow is Jan 3 is the chief executive officer of the Jan 3. He also said that because will reach the price of 100K price level soon, uh, because Bitcoin under 0.1 million is artificial. Enjoy it while you can. Yeah. Uh, and we also can see the market say level 5 state of the Bitcoin mastery. Yeah. Um, Another Bitcoin mastery. What the 5 state? One. Just hear about Bitcoin. I can fix it. Second, Bitcoin rate my shitcoin better. Yeah. Um, and third, payment equal adoption, not store of the value. And another mastery is BTC equal of the new asset class, best store of the value ever. Yeah. And five, everything go to zero against BTC. Sell after is on. Yeah. 3 and 4 soon. Yeah. 3 4 soon. I also don't remember.
They are
Five
saying is on payments and BTC soon.
yeah, that's right. Three and
That's
four is
Israel, right? Israel flag.
but it's so funny. I some of the stat I can't remember. It's a little bit sound funny here. Um, One just here about Bitcoin. I can fix is the first stage. It's mean we are new.
So I think the way he say this is so that the AI don't pick out his words and then say, "Oh, this guy do this, do that." You know.
Yeah, that's why a little bit thing I also don't remember, can't catch the idea because here sometimes he said, oh, because BTC is rich, my Bitcoin better. Why Bitcoin better? Yeah. Um, and third, the payment adoption not value. Yeah. Okay. That is the some of the information. It's a funny thing we also want to share to our audience before Bitcoin can go to the next level. Yeah, because we did just now Bitcoin price 59,000. Yeah, it's just need uh, seven. No, no, how many percent it can reach the next all time high is around 15%. Yeah, sometimes just a day or just a few hours it can reach a
Yeah.
new all time high. So now this September is a month for the Fed cut the interest rate, and we need to wait until the 10th of the September, when all the thing applies to uh, to apply to the market, to the because with the traditional market now is a little bit exciting, and we also need to see how geopolitics go to the better way. Yeah, less of sometimes we see because of the people very aggressive for the war, and they because with the war they can make money. Yeah, but it can go as the thing they expectation. So we see the markets look like that, and we hope you have checked um, our information in the beginning of this live stream, and hope you have a new uh, mm, uh, uh, and new energy in the beginning of the month, beginning of the week. Yeah, hope you have a good holiday too in Vietnam too. Yeah, see you in our next live stream, Mr. Nicholas.
All right. Do your own due diligence in coins that you're not familiar with, and we hope you enjoy the holiday. And also, we hope you make some money, and we see you in our next live stream. Bye bye.
Yeah, see you in our next live stream.